So now I am going to show you the assignment in center of mass and conservation of linear momentum. You should get ready with your notebook or rough papers and pen. You should. I am going to show you the questions one by one. You can start trying to answer these questions. So after showing each question, I may give little time to answer the question. For some of the students, the time may be sufficient, but for some students, it may not be sufficient. In case you need more time to answer the question, you can take a pause and take your time. So, at present, I am not going to discuss the solutions of these questions in this class. I will be just showing you the questions one after another. And at the end of I will be showing at least around 30 questions now. After showing these 30 or 36 questions, I will be showing you the answers on the screen so that you can check up your answers, check up your working. So in my next classes, I will be discussing the solutions of these questions. Come on, look at the first question. In the assignment and center of mass and conservation of linear momentum. First question, I will read out the first question. Look at the screen. 3 particles of masses 2 kg, 4 kg and 6 kg are located at the vertices of an equilateral triangle of side 0.5 meter. What is the position of center of mass if the origin is located at 2 kg mass and 4 kg mass located along x-axis? Come on, start trying the question. I'll show you the 4 options on the screen. So in case you need more time to answer this question, you can take a pause and take your time. I am going to show the next question now. Look at the question number 2. 4 particles of masses 10, 20, 40, 80 grams have their center of mass at 0, 0, 0. Where do you keep a particle of mass 100 grams so that the center of mass of system of particles is at -1, -1, -1? Come on, try this question. So come on, try the question. So in case you need more time to answer the question, you can take a pause and take your time. I am going to show you the next question on screen. See the question number 3. I am going to read out the question number 3. Masses each 1 kg are placed at the vertices of an isosceles triangle ABC, in which AC equal to BC equal to 13 centimeter and AB equal to 10 centimeter. The distance of center of mass of the system from the vertex capital C is. Here shown 4 options on the screen. Come on, try the question. In case you need more time to answer the question, you can take a pause and take your time. I am going to show the next question on screen. Come on, look at the question number 4. One end of a thin uniform rod of length capital L and mass m1 is riveted so that to the center of uniform circular disk of radius r and mass m2, so that both are coplanar. The distance of center of mass of the combination from center of the disk is, within bracket you have assumed that the point of attachment is at the origin. Come on, try to answer this question. This question was originally given in 2003 MCET exam in the medical entrance. So in case you need more time to answer the question, you can take a pause and take your time. So look at the next question, question number 5. Particles of masses m, 2m, 3m, etc. up to nm grams are placed on the same line at distances small l, 2 into small l, 3 into small l, up to n into small l centimeter from fixed point. The distance of center of mass of the particle from the fixed point in centimeters is. Come on, try the question. This question was given in 2003 MCET exam in the engineering entrance. Come on, complete trying the question. So in case you need more time to answer this question, you can take a pause and take your time. I am going to show the next question on screen. Look at the question number 6. A uniform rod of length 1 meter is bent at its middle point, at midpoint, to make 90 degrees angle. The distance of center of mass from center of the rod is. You are shown 4 options on screen. You have to try this question. Come on, try the question. This question was originally given in 2001 MCET exam in the medical entrance. In case you need more time to answer this question, you can take a pause and take your time. I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 7. The mass of the moon is about 1 by n times the mass of Earth. And the distance from center of the moon to the center of the Earth is about k times the radius of the Earth. The distance of the center of mass of the Earth-Moon system from center of the Earth is equal to dash times the radius of the Earth. So you are shown 4 options on the screen in terms of n and k. Come on, try the question. So here understood that n and k are constants. So in case you need more time to answer the question, you can take a pause and take your own time. I am going to show the next question on screen. Look at the question number 8. The distance between the centers of carbon and oxygen atoms in the carbon monoxide gas molecule is 1.12 in 10 power minus 10 meter. The center of mass of the molecule from the carbon atom is. Come on, try the question. So in case you need more time to answer the question, you can take a pause and take your time. I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 9. 3 particles of mass of 2, 4 and 6 grams have the center of mass at the point 2, 2, 2. What must be the position of 4th particle of mass 8 grams so that the center of mass of the new system is at 0, 0, 0. Come on, try the question. In case you need more time to answer the question, you can take a pause and take your time. I am going to show you the next question on screen. Come on, see the question number 10. 4 identical spheres, each of radius r, and equal mass 1 kg each, are placed on a horizontal surface, touching each other so that the centers are located at the width of square of side 2r. What is the distance of the center of mass from center of either sphere? Come on, try the question. So in case you need more time to answer the question, you can take a pause and take your time. I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 11. Two blocks of masses 10 kg and 30 kg are placed along a vertical line. The first block of mass 10 kg at the top is raised through a height of 7 centimeter. The distance that should be removed by second mass to rise center of mass by 1 centimeter is. Come on, try this question. This question was given one of the previous entrance examinations in the All India entrance papers. Come on, try the question. So I am going to show the next question. In case you need more time to answer the question, you can take a pause. See the question number 12. From a uniform circular disc of radius 52.8 centimeter, a square is cut out with radius as its diagonal. The distance center of mass of the remainder from center of the disc is. Come on, try the question. In case you need more time to answer this question, you can take a pause and take your time. I am going to show the next question on screen. Come on, look at the question number 13. Consider a two-particle system with the particles having masses m1 and m2. The first particle is pushed towards the center of mass through a distance d. By what distance should the second particle be moved so as to keep the center of mass at the same position? You are given 4 options on the screen in terms of m1, m2 and d. Come on, try to answer this question. This question was given in one of the previous AIEEE entrance examinations, 2006 AIEEE, which was meant for admission into NITs. So in case you need more time to answer the question, you can take a pause and take your time. I am going to show the next question on the screen. So the question number 14. Two objects of masses 200 gram and 500 gram possess velocities 10 I bar meter per second and 3 I bar plus 5 J bar meter per second respectively. The velocity at the center of mass in meter per second is. You are shown 4 options on the screen. Come on, try the question. This question was originally given 2003 MSET in the engineering entrance. So in case you need more time to answer the question, you can take a pause and take your time. I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 15. Two blocks of masses 10 kg and 4 kg are connected by a spring of negligible mass and placed on a frictionless horizontal surface. An impulse gives a velocity of 14 meters per second to the heavier block in the direction of the lighter block. The velocity gained by the center of mass is. Come on, try the question. This question was also given one of the previous entrance examinations in All India entrance papers. So in case you need more time to answer the question, you can take a pause and take your time. I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 16. The velocities of two particles of masses m1 and m2 relative to a stationary observer on the earth are v1 bar and v2 bar respectively. The center of mass frame. If v1 bar is not equal to v2 bar, the two particles, there are four options on the screen. First option, appear to move in the same direction. Second option, appear to move in opposite directions. Third option, appear to move in the perpendicular directions. Fourth option, none of the above. Come on, try to answer the question. In case you need more time to answer this question, you can take a pause and take your time. I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 17. Two particles of masses 1 gram and 2 gram are moving with velocities 10 meters per second towards east and 10 meters per second in a direction 30 degrees west of north respectively on a horizontal plane. The magnitude of velocity of center of mass system of the two particles and direction are. Come on, try the question. I am going to read out the four options on screen. First option, 10 root 3 meter per second towards north. Second option, 10 by root 3 meter per second towards north. Third option, 10 by root 3 meter per second in the direction 30 degrees east of north. Fourth option, 10 meter per second in the direction 30 degrees north of east. Come on, try the question. Can take a pause and take your own time to try the problem. So I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 18. I am going to read out the question number 18 now. System consists of two identical particles. One particle is at rest and the other particle has an acceleration A. The center of mass of the system has an acceleration of. I have shown four options on screen. Come on, try the question. This question was given originally in 2002 MSET in the medical entrance. So in case you need more time to answer the question, you can take a pause and take your time. I am going to show the next question on screen. Look at the question number 19. Two particles A and B at rest move towards each other under their mutual force of attraction. At the instant when the speed of A is v and the speed of B is 2v, the speed of center of mass of the system is. Four options are shown on the screen. Come on, try the question. In case you need more time, you can take a pause. I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 20. Two particles of masses 1 kg and 3 kg. So again I read out the question. Two particles of masses 1 kg and 3 kg move towards each other under their mutual force of attraction. No other forces act on them. When the relative velocity of approach of the two particles is 2 meters per second, the center of mass has a velocity of 0.5 meters per second. The relative velocity of approach becomes 3 meters per second. Then velocity of center of mass is. Come on, try the question. This question was originally given in one of the old entrance examinations in the IIT JEE in object to type paper, in object to type questions. In case you need more time, we can take a pause. I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 21. Two particles A and B of masses 2 kg and 3 kg are at rest separated by 10 meters. If they move towards each other under a mutual force of attraction, the distance of point from the initial position of A where they meet is. Come on, try the question. In case you need more time, we can take a pause. I'm going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 22. A shell projected from a level ground has a range Kepler if it did not explode. At the highest point, the shell explodes into two fragments having masses in the ratio 1:3, with each fragment moving horizontally immediately after the explosion. The lighter fragment falls at a distance Kepler from the point of projection. Behind the point of projection, the distance at which the other fragment falls from the point of projection is. Come on, try the question. So in case you need more time to answer this question, you can take a pause and take your time. I am going to show the next question on screen. Come on, see the question number 23. Two lead balls of masses m and 5m and radii r and 2r are separated by 12r between their centers or initially at rest. They attract each other by gravitational force. The distance moved by small sphere before they touch each other is. Come on, try the question. This problem comes under one of the special cases I have discussed in the previous class. This problem comes from one of the special cases which I discussed in one of the previous classes. So in case you need more time to answer the question, you can take a pause and take your time. I am going to show you the next question on screen. Look at the question number 24. Two particles capital A and capital B of masses m, 2m are moving towards each other due to mutual gravitational force. When they are at capital A, within brackets I have shown the coordinates small a, 2a, and another point capital B within brackets minus 2a, minus 2a on the xy plane. They meet at a distance small d from A. Then small d is, come on, try the question. So in case you need more time to answer the question, you can take a pause and take your time. I am going to show you the next question. Look at the question number 25. Three bodies of masses 2 kg, 3 kg and 5 kg are moving with velocities 3 meter per second east, 4 meter per second west and 5 meter per second east. Relative velocity of center of mass of system with respect to 3 kg body is. You have shown 4 options on screen. Come on, try the question. So in case you need more time to answer this question, you can take a pause and take your time. I am going to show you the next question on screen. See the question number 26. Two particles of equal mass have velocities v1 bar equal to I bar meter per second and v2 bar. So v2 bar equal to 2j bar meter per second. First particle has an acceleration a1 bar equal to 3I bar plus 3j bar meter per second square, while the acceleration of the other particle is 0. The center of mass of the two particles moves in A. So here shown 4 options on the screen. First option circle, second option parabola, third option straight line, fourth option ellipse. Come on, try the question. This question was given originally in one of the previous MSET exam papers. I think in 2004 MSET engineering. So in case you need more time to answer the question, you can take a pause and take your time. I am going to show you the next question on the screen. See the question number 27. Two skaters, one with a mass 65 kg and the other with a mass 42 kg, stand on an ice rink holding a pole with a length of 10.7 meter and a mass that is negligible. Starting from the ends of the pole, the skaters pull themselves along the pole until they meet. How far will the 42 kg skater move? Neglect fraction. Come on, try the question. No multiple choice options are shown given for this question. You have to work out the problem. So in case you need more time to answer this question, you can take a pause and take your time. I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 28. Body falling vertically downwards under gravity breaks into two parts of unequal masses. The center of mass of part taken together shifts horizontally towards. First one, heavier part piece. Second one, lighter piece. Third part of question does not shift horizontally. Fourth part depends on the vertical velocity time of braking. Come on, try to answer the question. So in case you need more time to answer this question, you can take a pause and take your time. So I am going to show the next question on screen. See the question number 29. Boy of mass 36 kg moves from one end to the other end of a boat of mass 72 kg on still water. The length of the boat is 2.7 meter. The displacement of the boat is, within bracket, neglect friction between boat and water. Come on, try the question. So in case you need more time to answer the question, you can take a pause and take your time. So I am going to show you the next question on screen. See the question number 30. Boat of mass 80 kg floating on still water. A dog of mass 20 kg on the boat is at a distance of 10 meters from the shore. The dog moves on the boat by a distance of 3 meters towards the shore. What distance from the shore is the dog in the later case? Come on, try the question. So in case you need more time to answer the question, you can take a pause and take your time. Next, I am going to show you the answers for these questions. So next, I'm going to show you the answers. I'm on the screen. Already I have shown you the answers for first 10 questions on the screen. Come on, correct your answers. Correct your answers which you got here. I am going to read out the correct answers now. For question number 1, first option is answer. For next two questions 2 and 3, third option is answer. For question number 4, second option is answer. For next 3 questions 5, 6 and 7, first option is answer. For question number 8, second option is answer. For question number 9, first option is answer. For question number 10, second option is answer. See the answers for next 10 questions from 11 to 20 on the screen. I'm going to read out these answers. Question number 11, answer is 2. For question number 12, answer is 4. For question number 13, answer is 1. For next two questions 14 and 15, third option is answer. For next two questions 16 and 17, second option is answer. For question number 18, third option is answer. For question number 19, first option is answer. For question number 20, second option is answer. Next, see the answers for the next 10 questions, 21 to 30. For question number 21, third option is answer. For next two questions, 22 and 23, second option is answer. For question number 24, first option is answer. For next two questions, 25 and 26, third option is answer. For question number 27, answer is 6.5 meter. For question number 28, third option is answer. For question number 29, fourth option is answer. For question number 30, first option is answer. So check up all your answers. So some of the students may not be able to do well. They may be able to do only few questions. They may not be able to do most of the questions. But you should not get discouraged with your performance. Everyone, every student has the chance to improve if one wants to improve seriously. So if you want to improve your problem solving ability, I mean in case you are doing very poorly in the assignment, in case your score is very less, you can do like this. You can first go through the solutions which I am going to discuss in next classes. Solutions for all the questions. After going through solutions for all the questions, you can take a gap, some time, I mean gap of some interest of time. On the same day or next day, at least you can again go through this assignment starting from the first question to 30th question afresh. Then you again try all the 30 questions in the same order without looking into the solutions and answers. So that you should be finally be able to solve any one of these questions or similar models in case they happen to come in any one of the entrance examinations which you are going to write in future. So in my next class, I am going to discuss the solutions of all these questions from starting from one. Of course, all the solutions may not be completed in the next class itself. In the next class, at least I may be able to discuss the first 10 questions. In case you are not having any doubts in the first 10 questions, you may skip my next class. Then you can go to the class later after that.